let me tell you guys what happened. I just filmed the introduction and then I realized that this whole time I was not looking through the lens and I have to do it over again. But anyways guys, hello, how are you? I don't want to call you guys I want to call you something special. You know, I call my Facebook lovers love, so I don't know what I should call you guys. I don't want to call you guys chiquitos because that is weird. Just imagine, hi chiquitos, how are you? Oh my god. What should I call you guys? Can you guys please help me? Comment down below, what do you think I should call you guys? But for now, I'm gonna call you beautiful people. In today's video, I'm gonna challenge myself. I'm gonna try to do my makeup using my beautiful hands and long fingers. I'm not allowed to use brushes and beauty blender. I'm gonna use this. What is this called? Is this a watch?
No.
Is this a relógio?
No.
Despertador?
Yes.
But I'm just gonna use this to make this challenge a little bit harder. I have 30 minutes to make a beautiful makeup look using my beautiful hands. I don't know how I'm gonna turn out looking like, but I want to look presentable, please. So I'm not ready, but it's time. Okay, 1 2 3 start. Guys, this is not working. Try to fix this. I don't even know how to fix this. So what is wrong with you? 30 seconds, then start. So I'm just gonna put you back. Yes, it's working. So I'm not ready, but I have 20, I don't know, minutes to finish this makeup look. I'm gonna use my fingers to do my eyebrows, guys, really. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my gosh, wait, let me at least try to make this look beautiful. Why? I really wish I had perfect eyebrows, but I don't have anything. Does I look good at least? Does it look good?
No.
I'm not gonna tell you guys. Should I tell you guys that I'm using this LA Girl eyebrow pomade, whatever you call it. I'm gonna apply here, maybe here, a little bit here. So I'm gonna use my guys. Look at this eyebrow. Wait, let me try to fix in front. At least I'll try to do something. I use our fingers to plot to eyebrows are the hardest things to do. I think when I'm done doing my eyebrows, I'll be able to do the rest of the stuff. So I just need to make sure that my eyebrows are presentable. Woohoo! Okay, let me check. I think it doesn't look that bad. Actually, it looks good. Oh, I'm just lying to myself. Yes. You know when you know things are just not okay and you pretend that everything is okay? This is me right now. I'm hungry, guys. 26 minutes. Okay, Cynthia, you need to leave your eyebrows. Do your face. Okay, I think it's good.
No.
So I'm gonna use this spray, water, primer, everything at once. I think it's good. Then I'm gonna use this I don't know, foundation from Maybelline. Oh my gosh, please. I think I shouldn't apply a lot because if I put a lot, then I'm gonna have problems.
Yes.
How do people do their makeup using their fingers? Can you guys see? It's crazy, right?
Yes.
Should I do this? I don't know. At least I do this with my beauty blender. Maybe I should use both of my hands to try, or maybe I should just apply like a cream. I don't know, guys. I don't know. What am I doing? I want to prove to you guys that you can achieve a beautiful makeup look. You don't need brushes. You don't need a beauty blender. You can still look flawless. You just boo boo boo. Okay, whatever is happening, don't worry. I'm gonna look beautiful. You beautiful just the way you are. You don't need. Okay, where is my concealer? I don't know. Is this the concealer that I normally use? No, there is nothing in here. Where is my concealer? Is this a concealer? I want to use this concealer. Okay, let's try to blend this concealer. Guys, why do I like to do impossible things? I think if I 28, 26, 24, what minute? I don't know. Guys, really, this is so bad. Oh my gosh, wait. Actually, this is not bad. It's just bad. Not really bad. Oh meu Deus, estou a transpirar. Yes, guys, in case you don't know, I speak Portuguese. Portuguese is my favorite language. Now I'm gonna use this, I don't know, powder from Revolution. No. Oh my gosh, I'm baking, guys. If you don't have a beauty blender, or if you don't have any brush, you can still achieve a beautiful makeup look. What am I doing? How am I gonna remove this powder? I don't have a brush and I'm applying some... I'm gonna contour my face. Wait. How can I apply powder and then I contour? You know when you don't have time, you just do, like, you don't think straight. I don't have time to think. And this is not how I do my makeup. I'm supposed to look beautiful at the end of this video. I don't think I'm gonna do eyeshadow, but I have to do eyeshadow. I told myself that I'm gonna do eyeshadow. Why I don't wanna do eyeshadow now? Cynthia, you're gonna do eyeshadow.
Yes.
Should I? I don't know.
I'm gonna look beautiful. We're gonna look flawless, but these eyebrows are killing me.
I'm gonna do my eyes. Guys, I'm gonna use this to do my eyes. What color am I gonna use today? Should I use purple? I'm gonna use purple. I wanna look purple today. A little bit of purple. Does it look bad?
Yes.
It doesn't look bad, right? No, it doesn't look bad, guys. I look beautiful. I look so flawless. I wanna listen to music. Am I the only one who wants to listen to music right now? Then I'm gonna take some shimmer just to give that woof, you know, to the makeup look. We wanna look like Beyonce, no.
Woohoo!
My mascara, I don't need to use my fingers. It comes with an applicator. But then, how am I gonna apply glue? Let me apply glue first. My glue. Where's my glue? Where is my glue? Wait, where's my glue? Where's my glue? Is this my glue? Is this my glue? Okay, let me put here. Okay, where am I putting this glue? I think my finger is just too big. Let me use the small one. Oh meu Deus, oh meu Deus, oh meu Deus. Oh meu pai. Wait. Look at this combination. Red, dark blue, white, and purple. Oh my goodness. Let me apply a little bit of mascara. 26. You don't have 26 minutes. Oh Deus. This mirror is really far. Guys, I can't see anything. Okay, it's enough. I think I'm gonna use these lashes. I don't know where they're from. I know, I don't have time to think. Meu Deus. It doesn't wanna go there. Okay, it doesn't look bad. It does look bad. Don't lie to yourself, Cynthia.
Yes.
Ha! Guys, I look flawless.
No.
I look like, hey, meu Deus. Is this me? No, it's not you. 12 minutes. Now, I'm gonna remove the powder. I forgot to contour my nose. We don't have time for that, Cynthia. Forget about nose contour. We still have time. Don't panic. Don't look. We're gonna fix it. We're gonna... Well, imagine this like a brush, then you go whoop, whoop, whoop. I don't know. Over there, look at this. Look at this flawless makeup blush. 11 minutes. I'm almost done. How do I apply blush like a princess? Still have 9 minutes. 9 minutes a lot to apply lipstick, highlighter, and do your lips. Lipstick, highlighter, and do your lips. What am I saying? 9 minutes. I still have time. Now looks better, right?
Nope.
7 minutes. I'm gonna use this purple lipstick from MAC. This is a Chinese brand. 6 minutes is a lot.
Yes.
This lipstick is really pretty.
Yes.
Now it's time to apply setting spray, and I still have 3 minutes, so I'm gonna take my time.
3, 2, 1.
Guys, this is the final look. No, I wouldn't go out like this, but I didn't expect to turn out like this. So now is the moment for me to make the beautiful faces. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell for you to receive my videos. And yes guys, I'm back. I'm gonna stay. I'm not gonna go anywhere. Okay, every single week I'm gonna post one video in this channel. If you don't want to miss out, then subscribe. Subi. Okay, don't forget to share this video with your friends, siblings. Follow me on Instagram, and I also have amazing videos in there, amazing photos. Bye.